Yes, ma'am, and please welcome aboard the Stevens family.
Turned golden, and it whooshed and whooshed, and the whole room became golden, and then Flynn Rider lived, much like Hercules. But then they lived happily ever after. They got dairy, and we got archery. That's the story of Rapunzel.
I love it when you tell me that story. It's so beautiful.
I tell it every year on this day. Because it's a very special day, as you know.
It's her birthday!
It sure is, my good God. So, are you ready for the festival?
Oh, I've been so excited about it. I even got a nice fancy outfit for the day.
Yeah, I noticed something different about you. That
Thank
one's
you.
clean. What do you say we go out there and say hello to the people?
Oh, I'd really like that. Should we do it now?
Yeah, why not? Let's go. Here we go, buddy. Snuggly. Snuggly, 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 snuggly! Hello. All right, I'm gonna teach you something now, but you can't tell anybody, okay? It's a little bit of a secret. Okay, so repeat after me. Clap, clap. Okay, then you're gonna go stomp, stomp. Stomp, stomp. Okay, and then last but certainly not least, you go quack, quack. Quack, quack. Okay, now let's put it all together. Here, with us. Here we go. Quack, quack, stomp, stomp, quack, quack. Very nice. Do it again. Quack, quack, stomp, stomp, quack, quack. Keep it going. Quack, quack, stomp, stomp, quack, quack. One more time. Quack, quack, stomp, stomp, quack, quack. Yeah, very nice. That is the official Snuggly Duckling secret salute.
Not so secret anymore.
Well, that's okay. Because they're one of us now.
Really?
Yeah, you're one of us now.
Okay. You're one of us.
Which means we can officially get started. Okay. Quack. 100 guests, royalty and ruffians. Welcome to Rapunzel's royal table. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Hook Hand. And if you have trouble remembering that, I'm the guy with a hook for a hand. This is my cohort for the evening, Vladimir. Say hi. Hi. But we all know you're not really here for us. You're here for Princess Rapunzel's birthday celebration! Woo! Happy birthday to Rapunzel! Happy birthday to Rapunzel!
We cannot have a birthday celebration.
Well, why not? We got other people. We got the
without a birthday girl.
Oh, happy birthday for a second. Okay, so please put your hands together for Princess Rapunzel.
Hello, everyone. I'm so glad you're all here to celebrate with me. All of my favorite people in one room.
Yeah.
Hey, where's Flynn?
Flynn, he's the bank. They're doing a little puppet show with the kids.
New design for the day. Would you like to party, Princess? Oh, birthday dreams. They're the best.
Well, you know, everybody's got a dream.
Oh no.
Just take me for example.
Here we go.
I'm malicious, mean, and scary. My skin could curdle dairy. And violence-wise, my hands are not the cleanest. But despite my evil look and my temper and my hook, I've always yearned to be a concert pianist. They should see me on the stage performing the part, tickling the ivory till they bleed. Yet I'd rather be called deadly for my killer show too deadly. Thank you, 'cause way up deep inside I got a dream. He's got a dream. He's got a dream. I ain't as cool and vicious as I seem. Yeah, though I do like breaking fevers. He got me with the dreamers, like everybody else I got a dream. She's got a dream. She's got a dream.
I just wanna see it through and believe. Every passing hour, I'm so glad I left my tower. Like all the lovely folks I love to see.
She's got a dream. She's got a dream. So our differences ain't really that extreme. We're one big team. Yeah. Call us brutal, sadistic, and we're desperately optimistic. Cause way down deep inside we've got a dream. I got a dream. I got a dream. Yes, way down deep inside I've got a dream. Yeah! How about that for a birthday song, huh? Woo!
A birthday?
Happy birthday.
Oh no, Hookhead.
Birthday, oh no, okay, what are you talking about?
Oh, we forgot about the birthday surprise for the princess.
Right. I'm malicious,
No,
mean, and
we just did that.
we can do it again,
No,
can't we?
we did that like 3 minutes ago. No. We forgot about the edible one with the frosting and the sprinkles.
Oh, the cupcakes. Oh,
No.
I mean, the cupcakes. We can't have a birthday party without them. We better get in that kitchen and take care of them.
What?
I mean, take care of them.
Happy
Oh.
birthday, princess.
But first,
What now?
big finish. Here we go. You know what to do. And say, ow. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. All right, come on, princess. Let's see if we can find this Flynn Rider character. What's the name of this friendship?
Oh,
With the little snuggly duckling secret salute.
Good idea.
Okay, here we go, everybody. And clap, clap, stomp, stomp, whack, whack. Do it
nice.
again. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, whack, whack. One more time. Clap, clap, stomp, stomp, whack, whack. Yeah, very nice. You're paying attention.
I see you talking your secret salutes.
Well, of course. We're not going to hold back on your special day.
No.
I've always loved today. Not just because of my birthday, but because it was when I first saw the floating lights.
Oh, tell us more about the floating
I
lights.
remember watching them from my tower as they lit up the night sky and, in a way, led me home to my happily ever after.
Got any more, princess?
This is life after happily ever after, and it's all just as sweet as the stories say. I feel wildly as life can be and ready to explore, with nothing else standing in my way. True, there are certain customs I have to follow, several small obligations I can't avoid. A few rules do well more than a few commitments by the score. Aside from all that, though, I'm overjoyed. And sure, there are
Well, that's the full name.
What did they call
I told you I wouldn't miss your birthday. And
Eugene
Hey,
Fitzherbert. That's his full name, isn't it?
And
Remember?
since it's your birthday, shouldn't we sing to you?
No, he's malicious,
Wait.
mean, and scary.
Wait. Well, I can't be the only one with a birthday today. Hands up. Who else is celebrating a birthday?
Oh yeah, put your hand up if you're celebrating a birthday today. Oh, one over there, two-ish, three. How about this week? Put your hand up if you're celebrating this week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How about this month? Who's born in August? All right, okay, 1, 6, 8.
Okay. Who's celebrating a birthday in the next year?
That's amazing.
Oh, so amazing, in fact, that I think we better sing to him. And by we, I mean us up here on the stage because we're the professionals. But say it, don't spray it, Mr. Spitzherbert.
You know his name's Fitzherbert, right?
It's a joke, but okay. Anywho, every professional band needs some accompaniment, and that's where you all come in. So, you get to be our percussion section. You can clap your hands, bang on the table, rattle your spoons, clink glasses, do whatever you gotta do to make some percussion-style noises, okay? But don't worry, we're gonna do a rehearsal first. So, my side, get your instruments ready. We're going first. Get them ready and play! Yes, make it louder. And it gets louder. And cut up. Very professional. Excellent. All right, beat that flag.
Okay, now it's my side of the room, even though you already did it because you weren't paying attention. All right? Now it's you. All right, my side of the room. Get your instruments ready. Play!
Oh, yeah. And cut up.
Stop it.
Very
I did
well
the whole
done.
tune.
Very well done. I heard a little echo over there. And you all in the back of the room. Yeah, I see you back there. This is your time to shine, since I know you didn't pick a side earlier. So, solo time, go! Yeah, and cut off. Very good. Yeah. They're doing their best, guys. Yeah. Okay, I think we're ready to get started. Is that a good note?
Well, not when you do it.
We're doing that note anyway. All right.
Happy birthday to you.
My side, play!
Happy birthday to you. My side, play! Happy birthday, dear everyone.
Everyone, play!
Happy birthday to you and many more.
You drum solo, go! Yeah, give it up for that guy! Woo!
Oh, that was fun. Thank you.
Come on, Blondie, let's go see how they're doing with that birthday cupcake.
Go, just the cupcake's supposed to be a surprise.
It's okay, I don't think she heard. Okay, I hope everybody's sitting down and ready for a festival because, Haunted guests, it's now time for the annual Lantern Festival!
Lantern. Absolutely.
If you weren't so set on seeing the floating lights, I never would have met you. In fact, would you like to know where I was? Why I was late?
Yes.
Well, I was busy making this for you. It's the perfect lantern for the perfect princess. Not bad, eh, Blondie?
All those days watching from the windows, all those years in silence, all the time never even known.
It's more than we'll provide, and the world has somehow shifted. All at once, everything is now that
Rapunzel, everybody! Yeah! And give it up for those lanterns! Lanterns! Yeah!
Oh, thank you so much for celebrating with me. This truly has been a magical evening.
Well, only the best for you, Blondie.
I only hope you've enjoyed the Lantern Festival as much as I did. It always reminds me how important it is to have a dream.
And to put the icing on the cake, so to speak.
You're a cupcake princess.
Eugene, it's wonderful. Wow, here, you really outdone yourself.
No, it's a piece of cake.
Thank you again. Good night, everyone.
We'll see you around.
Goodbye, princess! I will see you all at the Snuggly Duckling next time you're in town, eh? Come on, Blair.
Thank you for watching these videos. We've got lots of them to come, so please make sure you like and subscribe to keep updated with our cruise vlog. We did 7 nights all together on the Disney Magic UK staycation at sea. So we have got lots of footage from all the restaurants, lots of footage around the ship. I've even done a whole ship tour. So please, as I said, please like and subscribe, and I hope you've enjoyed the video that you've just been watching, and can't wait for you to see the next one.